You are welcome to Waterfall. So here in Waterfall we have 7 different levels. So this is just the first one. Yeah. So there's another one that's about 10 minutes from here. We're going to get to the second one. So that's how it is till we get to the 7th one. So the water has never dried for once. It is always falling. You can see this one is not really falling, but when we get to the second one, it is taller more than this one. It is taller more than this one. So kindly let's go to the second one. So you are welcome to the second fall. This is the second waterfall. And you can see the way it's falling. So the water is coming from the third one. There is another one at the top of this now. That is the third one. And this water was discovered 11,000 years after the birth of Jesus. That's where this water was discovered. And it has never dried for once. So this is just the second. There is another one at the top of this. Just about 15 minutes from here. We get to the third one. So this is just the second waterfall now. We are at the second stage. So this is the way to the third one. We have decided to go to the third one there. But we are not going there yet. We are going to the 7th one. So when we are coming back, we are going to branch to the third one to make it easier. So we are going to the 4th, 5th, 6th to the 7th now. It's not easy. Very tough to get here. There is a fall there. There is a fall there, but people don't really go there because it's a bit scary and there is no way to get there. As soon as these bushes are clear, you'll be able to view it from here. So there is number 4 there, but there is no way to get there. You can even see it's scary. So that's why. But we are going. You can view the fifth one from here. As there as the fifth one falling there. People don't really go there because there is no space, there's not enough space there to bath and to play. So that's why people don't really go there. So that's, you can see it from there. The way this was very dangerous and scary, but we are going there. The way to the fifth one, very scary, but we are going there. So we are going to the sixth one. We're almost there. It's very scary. You can see it from far, but we're almost there. We're almost there. You can see it from far away. This is the deep one. That's where the water. Nobody has ever discovered where the water is coming from. So some people believe it is visible, while some people believe it's coming out from the rock. But apart from here, you can't find any water around there again. You can't find any water. So at the Service One, we are going to Service One now to build the whole community from there. The water is clean and it is drinkable. The way to the Service One, we are going to the Service One now. Yeah, go to the Service One now. way leads to a village called Adaki. So there are some people living on top of this mountain. There are some people living there. There is a village there. But from here to that place is about 2 hours. 2 hours trekking from here to the village. So those people used to come to this town once in a week. That's every Wednesday. They used to come to the market every Wednesday. So it takes them about 2 hours plus to come down to the community from the village. So this way to the 7th one. Still going, we're still going. We're almost there. We're almost there. We are going to the 7th zone. That's the peak of the mountain. So we'll be at the top of the mountain. We'll be able to view the community, the whole community from the 7th one. We're almost there. So finally we made it. We made it to the 7th levels finally. So in a month, let's say 2 or 3 people normally get there. People used to go back when we get to the 3rd one, but we made it to the 7th one. Can you see the whole community?